Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make eggless tiramisu. Get ready to create a truly delightful dessert that's surprisingly simple and incredibly delicious. We'll explore easy ingredient swaps and a straightforward method to achieve that classic, creamy texture everyone loves. This guide ensures a perfect, impressive treat every single time, without any fuss. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can master this beloved Italian dessert, making it a fantastic option for any occasion. For our luscious eggless cream, we'll combine creamy mascarpone cheese with a generous amount of heavy whipping cream. Whip the cream until it forms beautiful, stiff peaks, ensuring a light and airy texture. Incorporate powdered sugar and a dash of vanilla extract to achieve that perfect balance of sweetness and aroma. This combination creates a wonderfully rich and stable filling, mimicking the traditional version beautifully. Now for the assembly. Quickly dip each Ladyfinger into strong, cooled coffee or espresso, being careful not to oversaturate them. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-infused Ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Follow this with a generous, even layer of your prepared eggless cream. Repeat these layers, alternating between Ladyfingers and cream until your dish is beautifully filled. The final, crucial step is chilling. Cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, though overnight is even better for flavors to fully meld. Just before serving, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder. This adds a beautiful finish and a delightful hint of bitterness. Slice and serve this incredible, homemade eggless tiramisu chilled for an unforgettable dessert experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.